what's up peeps, hope you're well. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review of the Apple USB-C 20-watt power adapter, and without further ado I will get straight to it. This adapter charges your iPhone 13 and earlier phones that allow fast charging within an hour, and I found this adapter to be very helpful in that regard. So you know, you don't have to charge your phone to full, but if you need a quick charge, you can put your phone on charge for half an hour, whatever, get 50% battery. And I find this to be a really good feature of this. Now, if you wanted to charge it to full, it would take 1 hour. And, you know, essentially, this has saved me time, and time is important. So if you're looking to buy this, it's definitely worth a consideration. Now, I'm gonna compare this to the previous one here. So this is the USB-A one, and I'll show you the difference between the two. So the one on the left is a USB-C, and the one on the right is the USB-A. Both of them fold out. Don't mind the marks on here, they won't go away, it's just wear and tear. And yeah, so they both fold out accordingly. And yeah, as you can see, the USB-C adapter is bigger than the USB-A one, so you have to keep that in mind when you're buying it. It's bulkier, and so yeah, it's just a really good adapter. And if you have the older devices and you will need a USB C to Lightning cable like the one here, and it still allows you to fast charge with that setup. So ultimately, yeah, it's good. It's good. And yeah, let me tell you about the price as well. Now, I bought this for £15 something on Amazon. The Apple store was charging £19 for it. So yeah. So as with a lot of Apple devices, these aren't cheap. You know, £19 or whatever is significant money for a basic adapter like this one. It's got a bit of fluff on there. And yeah, but ultimately it saves you time, and I think it's worth the money for the time that it saves you from being able to charge your phone really quickly. And yeah, I think it's worth it. It's well constructed. It's quite, you know, it's a dense, well constructed adapter. You know, and yeah, as you know, with Apple, nothing is cheap. But I think with the when you pay so much money for your devices, it's definitely worth checking out the official accessories for your Apple products, because you don't really want to take any chances when you pay £500, £800, over £1,000 for something. You don't really want to take any chances, right? So I would say it's worth the purchase. And yeah, definitely check out somewhere like Amazon or elsewhere for cheaper Apple products, because you can actually get Apple products brand new cheaper from places outside of Apple. So I would recommend, if you can find it cheaper outside, get the official product from another retailer. But ultimately, I can't really, it's hard to give this a score out of 10 because it's just a simple adapter. But in terms of whether it's worth getting, yes. And the reason why is because it saves you time. That's it. Anyway, hope you have a good day and take care.